Good morning, students. I hope you all are good and fine. Today's your English class, Chapter 3, Singular and Plural. So, let's start. Today, Mr. Gupta is revising the topic body parts. Complete these sentences to know how different body parts help us. So, children, we look at beautiful things with our eyes. Next, which organ helps you to smell yummy food? Our nose helps us to smell yummy food. What helps you hear your favorite music? Our ears help us listen to our favorite music. How do you count? Sir, we count using our fingers. Next, how many fingers do you have? We have 10 fingers. So, did you notice that the names of the body parts you have written are more than one in number? So, what we learn? We learn in human body organs are also present in more than one in number. Okay, students? Okay, now let's learn the rules for changing the nouns from singular to plural. Firstly, we learn about singular and plural nouns. Children, singular noun means when we are talk about one person, place, animal or things. And plural means when we are talk about more than one person, place, animal or thing. For example, one book or many books. When we are talking about one book, so what we say? It is a book. And when we are talking about more than one book, then what we say? We say these are books. Next, one watch and two watches. So, when we are talking about one watch, what we say? We say it is a watch. And when we are talking about more than one, what we say? We say these are watches. So what we learn? We learn to change the nouns from singular to plural. We normally add the letter S at the end of the word. For example, one ball or many balls. So, to make the word ball into plural balls, we write the letter S to the word ball. Similarly, one bus or two buses. Okay, students? Now, exercise A. Complete these sentences using the singular or plural forms of the names of the animals shown. Now, we see there are two birds. So, what we write? We write birds. The birds are flying. Next, in this picture, we see two horses. So, what we say? The horses are smiling. In next, we see only one zebra. So, what we write? The zebra is dancing. Next, in this picture, we see only one lion. So, what we write? We write the lion is sitting. In the next picture, we see two pigs. So, what we write? These pigs were happy. Okay, students, moving to the next topic. Read these sentences. The babies are crying. The tree has colorful leaves. So, notice the highlighted words They are plural of baby and leaf. So, baby in plural babies and leaf in plural leaves. Now, let us look at some ways of forming plurals. In this picture, we see only one puppy. So, what we write? One puppy. And in this picture, there are more than one puppy. So, what we write? Many puppies. So, for singular noun ending with Y, remove Y and add IES. Similarly, in knife, there is one knife and here is two knives. So, when a noun ends with F or FE, then F or FE is changed into V and VS. So, we added V and VS to the end. Now, to change the word knife to its plural form knives, we remove FE and we add VES to the end. Okay students, now exercise B, circle the correct plural form. So in this picture we see there are many boxes. So choose the correct answer. The correct answer is boxes. Next. Now in the next picture we see there are more than one mangoes. So what we choose? We choose mangoes. Similarly, there are two toffees. So what we choose? There are two candies. So we choose candies. Similarly, there are more than two loaves. So what we choose? Loaves. In this picture, we see two ladies. So what we choose? Ladies. There are more than one calf. So what we choose? Calves. Okay. Now exercise C. Look at these pictures and write the plural forms. Then color each animal or thing in the same color as its reading. So, in this picture we see two birds. So what we write? We write two birds. Next. Now in the next picture we see more than one cherry. So what we write? Many cherries. In the next picture we see two foxes. So what we write? Two foxes. In the next picture, we see more than one scarf. So what we write? Many scarves. Okay students, that's all for this class. I hope you all understand very well. We will meet you in next class. Thank you. Bye children.